VIP.
Child, that process don't take no days off. Like a McDonald's, open 24/7. Why? You survive the process. Forget about the promise for a minute. Just survive the process. Alright y'all, good morning. It is 8:30 and I'm about to run to the store real quick because yesterday I had went like grocery shopping, but I didn't get like vegetables and fruits because I like to get my vegetables and fruits from the vegetable stand. Like I don't like to get it from the supermarket. And so right now I'm about to brush my teeth. I know I didn't talk to y'all yet. This is my morning routine. This is gonna be an all-day vlog for real instead of just like a morning routine. So right now I'm about to brush my teeth. I'm about to clean my wisdom teeth. My wisdom teeth is like, you damn near could see it. I was supposed to do surgery. I had made the appointment, like I scheduled the appointment and everything. Whole time it's the same week as Thanksgiving. I'll be damned if I get my teeth removed and I can't eat oxtail. I said to hell with that. And the next one was my birthday week and I'm not doing it before my birthday week. So I'm gonna have to reschedule again because these need to come out. Okay, so I am done. I just need to put Vaseline on my lips. My lips already feel chapped. I'm about to run to the store real quick, and when I come back, I'm gonna put this stuff away. And then next on my routine, I need to clean my room, edit a few videos. I am gonna work out later, but yeah, let me just run to the store real quick. Okay, y'all, so I'm back from the store. It took me a while because I was gonna buy a few things, but I ended up buying a lot of stuff. First of all, I bought this coconut water. I want to try this because last time I actually tried coconut water and I didn't like it, but I heard this one is good, so hopefully it is. Also got Ensure because this is going to be my, basically I'm on a gain weight journey and these are gonna help. I got sweet potato and potato, so I'm on a, like I said, gain weight journey. I bought salmon, also bought mincemeat, also bought chicken. I gotta prepare all that. I ain't gonna, should I drink it? Let me not drink that. I think I should drink some water. Now I'm about to show you everything I got from the freaking vegetable stand. I got this cornmeal because I'm gonna start making porridge. I got lemon and limes, corn, carrots, orange. I got bananas, bought kiwi. I bought lettuce, red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper. Like actually, since it is time, I should drink. I may drink my Ensure actually, but I also bought these at Target. Let you guys know if you want to try this, go to Liddy. Liddy is a little cheaper. I paid $3 for both, no, $2, and I think Liddy has it like for $1 something. Okay, let me see what time is it. Okay, whoa, it's way past. I should have been truck this because I'm on a schedule, like on what time I eat, what time I work out. We got blueberry, raspberry, strawberries, avocado, asparagus. I want to try this. Asparagus. I got lettuce. I got tomato. I'm so proud of myself because usually when I do grocery shopping, I buy junk food, and nothing I bought has been like junk. Everything has been healthy. I bought cucumber, I bought mango, and I bought broccoli. Now I wanted to buy like more vegetables, but I don't like how, no, more fruits, but I don't like how the fruits be looking. They be looking, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. I might go to Trader Joe's because I want more fruits. It's 11:40, so I'm gonna put these stuff away, take out all the meat so I could prep it up, because tonight I'm gonna be making salmon, and for lunch I'm gonna have ground beef. Tomorrow I'm going to, ooh, what's tomorrow? Oh, tomorrow's Thursday. Friday I'm having taco. Tomorrow I'm gonna have the same thing. So yeah, basically everything I'm making today I'm gonna have it tomorrow. I want everything to be like, I think that will help me out much better, just eating the same thing instead of trying to figure out what to eat and stuff. Shout out to ChatGPT, because I forgot to tell you, I'm not on social media right now. On TikTok, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so let me be honest. I have 2 TikTok accounts. I deactivated my main one that I just be scrolling on, and then I have another one for my reaction videos. So I kept the one for reaction because I was like, all right, I'm only gonna be on this when I upload reactions, and I'm gonna get off. That didn't work. I was, what they call it, doom scrolling on that page, and I would just realize, I was like, no, like if I can't just sit and upload on that, it's gonna have to get deactivated. So I ended up deactivating it. I have nothing. I don't have Twitter, I don't have TikTok, I don't have Instagram, Threads. Only thing I have that's entertainment on my phone is YouTube and Twitch. If I'm watching like YouTube or Twitch, I'm also doing something productive, like I'm editing or I'm drawing. I'm into drawing. I'm gonna show you some of my drawings that I did. That's why I'm so proud of myself. I just can't give up during this process, for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? There's a promise I made, and God is gonna walk with me to that promise. You know what I'm saying? But let me just put these stuff away, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay, so right now I'm about to make lunch. I'm about to make ground beef. I'm actually gonna make the whole thing because I'm also gonna eat this for dinner tomorrow. Then while I'm cooking this, I'm going to clean up my chicken, put that in the freezer, because I don't know when I'm gonna make chicken. I might make chicken like Saturday, or because tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, so I might make chicken Friday, Saturday. This is gonna be my dinner for tonight. So yeah, like I said, I'm trying to cook more at home than eat out, because your girl is trying to gain weight, and I gotta go. I'm trying to be, yo, I remember I used to be 120, like 120, 125, and my family used to hype me up because I was gaining weight. Cause like I come from a Caribbean household, like they gonna comment on your weight every single time. So of course, like I've been hearing you skinny, this, that, and the third since I was a kid. So when I finally started gaining weight and they was hyping me up, that was like the best feeling ever. And then of course I lost all that weight, and now I'm like 106. Like I'm skinny, and I'm peeping it. Like I'm skinny. This year, we getting back to that happy weight. Right now, my mincemeat is cooking on the low because I'm not ready to eat yet. So I'm not even gonna lie, it's the first time I'm really adding like bell pepper and all that stuff to my food, for real. Old me would have took all that out, but I ain't gonna lie, I had it with my food and it does taste good. But right now, what we're about to do is clean these chickens so I can put them in the freezer. This should last. Like, always get the family pack, because the family pack gonna last you. And this is only for me, so this really gonna last me. Like, I eat two a day. I ain't gonna lie, once I start looking at chicken too long, I get disgusted, and I don't wanna, like, I don't wanna eat it, clean it, rub all that lemon in it, just So you just squeeze and rub it. So right now the chicken are all cut up. So these are cut up and these I just left it. Now when I finish eating, I'm gonna start cooking this for dinner. This is my ground beef. I'm gonna eat it with some fries and some lettuce. And I gotta cut up the lettuce and tomato, but I can't do it on camera because all my batteries are dying, but one is charging right now, so that one should be good. Meal is done. Ground beef, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and fries. Well, ranch drizzled all over. Like.
But you do recall the details of your raping woman.
He is not trying to get killed. I don't blame her. You gonna protect me? No. I ain't saying nothing. Until I get a new identity. You like it, Lo?
This is cozy. Not really comfortable.
Yeah. Kind of like this to be higher.
Yeah.
Colors.
Oh yeah, I think green and orange is a good couch.
Good color, yeah.
Good color.
I mean, flexible on the computer, but it's not. I don't think it's gonna be comfortable after a couple of hours.
Nah, I feel like this dining room comfortable.
Yeah, dining room. Just
Like,
to eat.
You full? You can just sit back and relax.
Like,
Oh my god, this is giving Disney. Nickelodeon. And it has a TV. These are so cute. For your sushi. I know you will love this for your sushi.
but I need a longer one.
So, well, give me some plates. These plates are so nice. These are so pretty. I need big plates because I want my meals to be a lot. Big portions. We're still in IKEA right now. I know I ain't talked to y'all, but I really came here for mattress. And I ain't see no mattress that I want. I see the bed frame that I want, but mattress? No. Oh, that's nice.
My lunch, my tea.
Ooh. This definitely could keep your food warm. Is it? My IKEA is really where it's at. You talking about Target? IKEA is where it's at. This is the type of pillow I want too. My bed with a bunch of pillows. I'm gonna put a bunch of pillows. Like, I want my bed to be full of pillows.
Yeah? Oh no, that's a different color.
Okay, so right now I'm looking at lamps. I already picked up a lamp, but I'm about to see if they got other lamps. They got this. They do got other lamps. Oh, this is, oh no.
That looks amazing.
So, one thing, I'm not getting the bed in here because they beds wasn't bedded.
Yeah, and the thing is, they used to have an area with the mattresses. I didn't see that.
No. They had like more bed frames.
Yeah, they didn't show the mattress.
I'm about to order it online.
Yeah.
Okay, so I am done shopping. Oh, IKEA is like shopping at BJ's. I'm tired and hungry. It is 1:23, and then we gotta go to Trader Joe's. I was gonna go to Target, but I'm too tired. But yeah, I really came here for a mattress, but they didn't have the mattress that I saw online, so I'm just gonna have to order it online. Also, they bed frames. I did see a bed frame I want though, so that's why I really came here. I came here for a new bed. My bed is so uncomfortable to the point where I literally have not been sleeping on my bed. I've been sleeping on my recline chair. Like, my recline chair should not be more comfortable than my bed. Now we're just about to get back on that bus and go back downtown Brooklyn. So we gotta hurry up because it's 2 o'clock and them kids come out of school. Okay, y'all, so I am back home. It is 5:30 and I'm tired as hell. I done missed lunch. I done missed 2 snacks, pre-workout and post-workout. I was gonna do a little workout today, but today I want to say today, I would say after IKEA, I felt like I traveled the whole Brooklyn. I was supposed to go to IKEA, then go downtown Brooklyn. Take the bus. It's a calm bus ride, and it actually is a calm bus ride. Until you get on the wrong bus and you don't realize until you're further. Now I'm further away from downtown Brooklyn. I'm damn near in Park Slope. And we went to 5 Below. I'm about to show y'all what I got at 5 Below. I got this Pilates fitness bar. Now I wanted to get the whole machine, but they didn't have it. So yeah, I got this. This was in the $5 area, right? So I scanned it. It said $7. So I'm asking the lady. I'm like, why is it where it says $5, but it's scanning at $7? She's like, okay, I'm gonna go get the manager. She gonna come back and say, oh, that's the new price because of TikTok. Because of TikTok. No, this is the thing. I'm gonna work out at home and then work out at the gym, like when I'm really like fit, like when I have a routine, because every time I sign up for the gym, I go once and never go again, and they just be taking my money. So this is the scale that I got from 5 Below. I got these paint brushes. Run and get these 2. These are 3 for $5. I'm writing stuff down because I just like writing stuff down. This because I need this for the door to do that pull, whatever that is called, that pull thing that they talk about I need to do. I did blurry. I had to stop and get some food, and I got this from 8-Bit. I don't know if it's the same place, but this is downtown Brooklyn on, I think, Court Street. Eat Like a Kid Again. They literally have old video games there. They have cereals, milkshake. It's basically like a kid's store. Okay, so I'm about to try this food. I know it's cold, but I don't care. I don't feel like warming it up because I know if I warm it up, it might be disgusting. So we gonna try this food. This is rich. I ain't gonna no straw. This is what I take all that back. You need a car here. I don't care. You need a car. The hell with the train and buses. Alright, let me try these wings. I just realized I'm not even trying the wings. I'm really not supposed to be eating this, but I'm hungry and lazy. Today's my cheat day.